We're at Lewis Auto Body in Burlington, New Jersey, and today we're removing a Chicago Pneumatic rotary screw, installing a Saylor Beall piston compressor, and we're replacing the pump on this Quincy here.
From 9 to 5, been biting my tongue for all this time. Won't let anyone cut me short. I was thinking this was the way to go, and you put up your puppet show. I say cheers to life. No, I'll be no good man's wife. Just leave me alone. I'm running the show. I'm telling you, it's my time to rise up. Live the life I'm proud of. No, you better go home. I'm telling you, it's my time to rise up. Live the life I'm proud of. So I woke up, sun in my eyes, forgot all about what I did last night. What I do remember that it was real, real nice. Talks about me are never good. I don't live like the way that I should. Oh well.
All right, today we got all the equipment out, the CP unit, the old CP unit, the old Quincy pump, and we got all the new equipment in place, plumbed in. Just need to run some electric and fire the equipment up.